Hello my lovelies, welcome to another crafting video, and we're back from Hollybobs. We are back. We had a fantastic time. We had the most amazing weather, and try and put a few photos at the end. Nelson had a brilliant time. So we're continuing on with our edging series. So today I have got something quite simple just to kick off after holiday mode, is the use of doilies. So I have a little selection here. Now these are the smaller ones, and I mean doilies really are, they used to think we were posh when we were kids because my mum and dad had doilies, and they used to have the proper big size, and they used to be on a nice plate if we had a buffet or whatever to put cakes and things on, and they look really effective. But of course we use them in the craft world as well, don't we? So I've got two white ones there that's left from something. Now they're quite inexpensive really. These are from Hobbycraft, I think, in the UK, this little gang here. And really they make the smaller ones traditionally as like coasters to go under your wine glass or whatever. Now these that were 150 are actually felt stuff. I've had them a while, so we'll have a play with these. I'd forgotten I've got these felt ones actually. They would be they'd be nice. That'd be nice. We've got some greens, haven't we? So let's have a look at our giveaway one first. I'm going to cut this in half so that we can have half each side of our page. Let's have a look, see where it would be nice. Gone in and put a little bit of stuck some paper on for writing for you if you want to do that, whoever wins this, whoever wins it, but you know what I mean, whoever. It would be nice there. That wouldn't be far enough out. It'd be nice to go with that, wouldn't it? Let's have a look. That would be nice. Right, okay, we'll put it on there and on the other side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have to excuse I've lost my stainless steel pin, so I put an honorary pin in, and it just makes your glue dirty, rusty. I don't know if this works with felt. Seems to be just soaking it up. So we will have, I'll put it there. I'm not convinced. No, doesn't like that. So we'll get our 3-in-1 out. I've had it upside down. So that it's easier to get out because it's towards the end. So let's put our 3-in-1 on there, and we'll put some on there. That can go upside down over there, out my way for now. Right, okay, so the 3-in-1 should work better. Should do. It's supposed to stick anything. Yeah, that's going to work. Now actually I'm not sure that you need the two back to back. It would look, because it's felt, but seeing as we've cut it, I'm going to put that on there. Just press that down minute. I'm covered in nails. Having them done again. These were my holiday nails. Look, I had different coloured tips for my holly bobs. Right, okay, so that one. Oh, that's cute. So that's just peeking out there. Right, so that is that. I'm still finishing my tea off. So I hope you're all doing well. We were very fortunate in the weather. It was absolutely red hot. We seem to have come back to a drab season. Oh, that's pretty, that. Is there only one of those? Oh, that's gorgeous. Let's try that one next. This should be all right with the art glitter glue, I think, because it's paper, not felt. And I want it really to show. Let's see where we could. Nope. Right. Not sure that colourway is going to go. See what we've got on this side. I don't know. I'm convinced. We don't want too much blocking off, do we? I think that'll be nice there. Let's put that down on there. Have to be careful, they're very delicate, aren't they? That'll be nice, because as we open that, and then we will put that one on that side. Okay. Little dots on that side. Let's see if we can try and measure it up. I don't think it's going to go exactly, but that's fine. Obviously I didn't cut it in half at the correct place, otherwise it would have done. I'm going to stick that together, you know, now. It's annoying me, flapping about. There we go. And let's see where we could put a felt one. See, there's pinks and purples. There's not too much of that in here, is there? You know what? I quite like that. I'm going to cut that. But I think that'd be a great tuck spot. So what I'm going to do, it'd be a tuck doily. My new invention. Okay. Because I do like it on that, against that, you know, recycled scrap. Right, so all I've done is I've glued it down the middle. So we have got, yeah, that's cute. And then I've got a little tuck there. We can put a little tag or something in there. I've got a bit of something to put in. Let's see what we've got here. A little tag. Oh, that goes nice. It's got the colours in. Let's turn it round. Like that. So we've got a couple of ways. So we've cut in half so that it gives us like a tab. There. So that gives us a little tab. I prefer it to be dead on, but what can you do? It's not. So and then I really like that. Just gives a little extra when you turn those pages over. You've got your little tuck spot there, and you've got that there. That's really nice. I like that. Is there anything else? Got blue there. I'm going to use this one. Actually like that on there, so I'm just going to 3-in-1 again. I'm going to stick that on there. Just a bit of decoration on that little bit. Let's just press that down, give it a chance to stick. Cute, like that. Right, I'm going to put this other half in the giveaway. So we've got that one. And I'm wondering if we could do a top or a bottom edging with this one. Just 4. Now I don't cover those two up. No. There. I like that. That'll go nice on there because of the pink in that one. So we'll put that down. So that goes in the giveaway journal. Okay then. So that's an easy one. Easy to do. They're very inexpensive. You can get them, I mean, we have them on Lakeland. Lakeland, I've had some beautiful, Lakeland online in the UK. I've had some beautiful doilies from them. They tend to be larger ones, but they make fantastic pages. But I just wanted to do something a little bit different today and utilise them for edgings. So thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next video. Bye for now.